header gaskets, dog. Look at this shit. CG. That one was good. This is the front side. This is the back side, though. Got them new cheap gaskets in there. Some shit I had sitting around for a minute. I'm exposing myself right now. I ain't gonna cap. Look, this is my O2 sensor wire. All this shit right here is leaking coolant from right here under this throttle body, dripping down right on here. But yeah, man, we finna header gaskets, wire the fog lights in, put a new clutch fan on here. Hopefully get some coolant, because there's just water in that bitch. We got OEM shift boot, some more wiring and shit. We got a quick release in here. I'm gonna put that quick release on because I got it just like that and shit. And then yeah, I missed the flip. For sure missed the flip, boys. GG. I might be able to get away with it, but let's see. I'm with my guy Jim, man. We don't do no faces on this channel, so you know. But bro got that wide body big. But yeah, man, we just doing this shit. I'll tap in with y'all in a minute. All right, so we just finished up the header gaskets, and I'm gonna put this shit back together and do a startup real quick, just so we can see what it sounded like. But yeah, I'm gonna do a sound clip for y'all. Let me get this shit put back together. All right, go ahead. Yeah. Man, y'all ain't driving on a scheme plate. Nigga, I just brought it home on a scheme plate. What y'all niggas doing? Y'all gotta get you one. Thought I should do a quick little oil change while we down here. Let's see what my oil's looking like. Not bad. See if we see any sparkles in this shit. Well, there's a whole bunch of shit in here before, so I don't look too bad. Just a little dark. All right, boys, it's day 2. We're doing the slave on the master cylinder. Gotta get for some reason my tail light fuse. What's up, boy? For some reason my tail light fuse blew, so don't mind this dirty ass shit in here, man. You know, we've been just doing shit. But right now I'm taking off. We on the phone too, by the way, so I'm taking off this right here. It's just 3 Phillips. Right there. One at the end. Just so we can have more room so we can get this master when it's time to get to it. We got the quick release on yesterday. And we got the ding, if y'all can hear it, so that's fire. All right, I'm gonna show y'all boys this real quick. Trying to get that top left one up there. And then that bottom right one, which we got. So we're getting that top left one out right now. I got a swivel on it, y'all. And shit, we're trying to get it, man. That's it. Damn, my camera dirty as fuck. Bro, we trying. Bro, look how dirty that is. Oh my God. So this whole fluid, clutch, like slave master cylinder has been on there for at least 15 years. I know for sure 15 years. But anything before that, I don't know. I've only had it for 5. Previous owner had it for 10, and he never did it. So at least 15. And this shit has lasted 50K miles since I had it, about 40, 50K. I was up drifting. So This shit's solid, but we're making progress, boys. I wish I need to take this pin off right here. Pull that back, slide that shit out, and it should come out. And then for the next step, I'm gonna need my boys, so hopefully they show up. Grab this motherfucker and slide it out. What the fuck? Come on. There we go. All right. Cut that out. Can't lose that. Now. Alright, so this is my first time doing this, so this hard line, you gotta take this off, so I didn't realize that, but this should come out now. There we go. Oh, dripping fluid. Just a little bit at the bottom right there. Yep. Get that up out of here. Got the new one right here. So this next step, I gotta wait for the boys to come through, but I'm gonna start putting everything back together. And then if they don't come through, I'm gonna have my girl out here, have her bleeding the clutch and shit. Let's see if these line up pretty good. Because I know you want to make sure the length is the same right here like this. Just to make sure everything is the same. The OEM look a little longer. Just a little bit. I think I can extend it right here though, so I'm gonna do that real quick. All right, I got the master kind of lined up perfectly. I like how my pedal position was, where it engaged and all that, so I'm trying to like replicate that as much as I can. This is the old fucking, I don't know, push pin, push rod, I don't know what to call it, but it goes right here on here. And I was watching a video and they said make sure, like this, got some little grease in there, the new one, make sure it's all greased up, and look, there ain't shit in here, so I don't got no fucking grease. Y'all call it Jimmy rigging, we call it nigga rigging. I'm finna put some goddamn Aquaphor in this bitch. Just so something is in there. Got a nigga rig something up, man. So I'm finna grease this bitch down in some Aquaphor and hopefully everything is good. So I can't do this shit with one hand. My GoPro's fucked up. I love y'all. I'm finna make some progression, then I'll get back on the camera. Got the new slave in there. Look how beautifully everything lined up. Pin went right in. 2 bolts and this bracket, look. This shit lined up perfect. These 2 bolts lined up good. That line went in, no problem. So we finna tighten all this shit up. Bro, look at all this oil coming down here. I don't know where this shit's coming from, bro. But GG. All right, man, we driving. We got the clutch in. We had to adjust the pedal. I tried to line it up with OEM, but we had to put it in a little bit more, the master cylinder, so it's good now. It's driving like hella smooth. It's going into gear way easier, so we good. If you're still watching this video, shout out to you, man. Shout out to the Scheme team. We gone.